3 reasons why you should change your tax preparer. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Mango Tax channel. My name is Raul, and I am an enrolled agent. As you know, tax season is already here. And if the 3 reasons I'm going to talk to you about apply to you, then you need to change your tax preparer. Reason number 1, your tax preparer is MIA, missing in action. You can't find them, you can't get them anywhere. You call, you leave voicemails, you send messages through email, even text. Nothing. If the tax preparer cares about you and your business, they should be calling you back. Finally, they should be available year-round. If you just have someone that's going to tell you, here's your refund, this is how much you owe, see you next year, and then when notices come, there's nobody to call, then get rid of them. Get somebody else. Reason number 2, you want to make sure your tax preparer is qualified to prepare your tax return. One of the things you first want to look at is, do they have a PTIN number? A PTIN number is an IRS assigned number. It's like an identification number that says that the tax preparer is who he really is. A tax preparer that does not have a PTIN should raise a red flag. So where can you find the PTIN number? Every tax return has a paid preparer section. In the paid preparer section is where the preparer is going to sign their name. If they do not sign or don't want to sign or just make you sign, those are all flaming red flags. You just gotta stay away from them, run like hell. You also have to beware of the self-prepared signatures. Certain rogue tax preparers out there, they'll use software that are usually one-time use, and they'll prepare multiple tax returns, and it'll always say self-prepared. Now, why is self-prepared important? Because it says you were the one that prepared your tax return, and any problems that arise from this tax return, any errors, anything that the IRS might send you a notice form, they're going to be looking for you because the tax preparer's name is nowhere to be found on that section. So pay attention to this part. Your tax preparer should have some type of certification, whether it be RTRP, which is a registered tax return preparer, EA, like myself, which is an enrolled agent, or a CPA, certified public accountant. The third and final reason is explaining your tax return to you. So many preparers out there prepare your tax return and tell you, you're going to get this, you have to pay this, see you next year, and that's it. And you don't even know how you got there. You don't even know what you're going to do better to get a better result next year. It may sound crazy, but I remember many times I would be explaining a tax return to a client, and afterwards, when I asked them, do you have any more questions, they would look at me like I had 3 heads or something and say, wow, nobody ever explained the tax return to me. Unfortunately, this is what happens with many tax preparers and many offices out there, where they don't really sit down and explain to you what's happening with your taxes. Your tax return preparer should be like a partner. He should want you to do better. He should make plans for you on how to reduce your tax liability the legal way. They should be like a teacher, teaching you, why did I get this result? How can I make this better for next year? I personally treat my clients like they're my family. So I'm going to take care of them like I take care of myself because I want the best for them. So this has been a long time coming. I've been trying to post my first YouTube video, and this is it. This is my first video for Mango Tax. I hope to post more videos as time goes by and learn as I go because I'm not an expert at this, but it's fun. So if you liked what you saw, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the little bell so you can get any new videos that come up. Visit my website at www.mangotax.com. Join all my other social media pages to stay up to date. And I'll see you around.